My boyfriend wanted me to send pictures, but I refused because I felt insecure, especially after seeing him like other girls post.
What did he say?
No?
After
Delikado?
I said no, he became cold and stopped talking to me for days. Now
Grabe.
things feel different and I don't know what to do. Yun yung title pa lang yun, ate.
Introduction pa lang yun?
Title pa lang yun. Title pa lang yun.
Actually, may I ask, have you watched the movie Obsession?
Clips lang.
Clips lang?
I want to watch the
Clips lang sa
movie, yung
TikTok?
full movie, yeah.
Pero I mentioned that kasi it gives a similar vibe to this story na parang nanakawan ng sense of autonomy yung babae. Parang essentially minanipulate din siya, kinontrol din siya.
Yeah.
Oo.
With just one wish yun, di ba? Tama ba sa context ng movie?
Oh, one wish. Tapos, parang yung one decision lang to na hindi mag-sense si girl, nagdikta na sa buong relationship nila na parang nasira na
Yun
lahat.
nga, parang sobrang deal breaker sa kanya nung
Oo.
picture.
Parang nawawala na rin yung genuineness ng relationship if you're solely basing sa physical traits ng babae. Kasi kung may partner ka, tatanungin kita, kung may partner ka, di ba parang na-on the spot ka? Kung may partner ka, hindi ba parang mas pa-value mo rin yung emotional connection that you can have long-term din in the relationship?
Siyempre. Hindi naman yung physical traits yung bubuhay na relasyon namin and hindi yun yung nagustuhan. Siyempre yung papadama niya sa akin and yung magiging connection ko sa kanya along the way, yun yung importante sa aming dalawa.
Yung parang emotional security.
Yeah.